Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Mechatronics Solutions. Today I have got a shocking topic for you. What happened when a battery cable disconnected from the alternator while engine is running? Yesterday I found an issue with the battery which wasn't charging. I measured the voltages at battery terminal. It was not increasing, but when I measured the voltages at main terminal of the alternator, here was 21 voltages, and here at D plus terminal, here was the 15 voltages. I was shocked by these readings. I stopped the engine and inspected the harness, where I discovered this cable. After this alternator, after this starter, this cable is cut from here. So I fixed the wire. I fixed this wire, again start the engine, and this alternator started normal charging. My problem is solved. But question is still remains, why this wire cut and this alternator is behave abnormally? This is the main issue. This thing is surprised me. Then I make a mind, I must share my thoughts with you people, why these alternators behave abnormally. Unfortunately, I was not allowed to make the video, so therefore how I troubleshoot the problem and what was the issue there, today I am going to explain. So it's my drawing is not excellent, but symbolically I made this diagram just make you understand. So here, this is my alternator, this is a battery, this is a starter, this is a key switch, and this is my B terminal where I connected the battery cable, and this is my D plus point which getting the voltages from the key switch. When key switch is on the key switch, and voltage go also D point. So as you know, a normal 12 volt system, the alternator produce the how much voltages? 13.5 to 14.5 volt. This is a 12 volt system. So it was a 12 volt system. So if there is the 24 volt system, if there is 24 volt system, then how much alternator produce the voltages? 27 to 28 volt. But I worked on the 12 volt system. The machine was the mobile screen. There was mobile screen. I was working at that one. That was 12 volt system. And here was how much voltage producing? 21 voltages. So I'm going to discuss on it why this alternator was giving the 24 voltage at this point and 15 volt at this point. Now I am going to discuss the issues why I observed 21 voltages at B plus and 15 voltage at D plus. So first I talk about the high voltage at the B plus. How much? 21 voltages. So there are the three reasons. So one of them is a voltage regulation failure, second is no load conditions, and third is inductive kickback. So first I talk about this one. As you know, every alternator is equipped with the voltage regulator, which maintain the voltages in the 12 volt system 30.5 to 14.5. And in 24 system is a maintain the voltage 27 to 28 volt. So when this battery cable cut, the regulator may fail to function correctly and produce excessively voltage, which I observed 21 voltages at this point. Now the second reason is no load. As we know, every alternator expect a load like a battery which absorb the generated voltages. Without no load, this generator produce higher voltages, and there is no path for a current to flow, so causing the high voltage spike. Third one is a inductive kickback. When the alternator is running and suddenly disconnected from the load, so it creates the inductive effect and causing the high voltage spike. And there are three reasons. Therefore, I observed the 21 voltages at this B point due to cutting this cable. So now we will talk about D plus. Why? Here I get the 15 voltages. So now talk about the 15 voltage at D plus. As we know, the D plus typically connected to the voltage regulator, and it used to sense the charge voltages. So 15 voltages indicate that the regulator is trying to maintain the charge voltages, but it's giving the inaccurately readings due to absence of this load voltages, mean battery is disconnected. The second is a regulator response. The regulator is still trying to adjust the output charge voltages based on the sensed voltages at D terminal. If it senses high voltages, so it attempt the field current high to rotor to boost the output voltage, which contributing to observing the D voltages. So thanks watching today's video on the surprising effects of disconnected battery cable from the alternator. If you found this video is useful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe for more automation insights, and share your experience in comments below. Thank you.